In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Temu using Google. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a little refresher, you'll find this guide super helpful. So let's get started on making your online shopping experience smooth and hassle-free. First, you'll want to head over to the Temu website. You can easily do this by opening up your browser, preferably Google Chrome for a seamless browsing experience, and typing in the web address directly or searching for Temu on Google. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll be greeted with a variety of product categories to explore. Temu is known for its broad selection, so take your time to navigate through the items. Take advantage of the search bar if you're looking for something specific, as it's a fantastic tool for narrowing down your options. After you've picked a product that piques your interest, go ahead and give it a click. This will take you to the products page where you'll see detailed information, including customer reviews, product specifications, and pricing. I recommend taking a moment to go through the reviews. They can give you insights into the product's quality and user satisfaction, helping you make a well-informed purchasing decision. Once you've decided this is the product for you, it's time to move on to the checkout process. Click on Add to Cart and follow the prompts to proceed to checkout. Here's where things get a bit more detailed. First, you need to set up your payment method. Temu offers various options like credit or debit card, and sometimes even PayPal or other trusted services. Be sure to pick the one that best suits your needs for security and convenience. Next, double-check your shipping address. It's crucial to ensure your details are correct to avoid any delays or delivery mishaps. If it's your first time shopping at Temu, or if there have been changes in your address, now is the perfect time to update this information. You wouldn't want your package ending up at the wrong place. If you have a coupon code, be sure to enter it in the designated box before finalizing your purchase. Everyone loves a good discount, and it helps you save a little extra on your purchase. Finally, with your payment method, shipping address, and any discount codes in place, you can confidently click on Submit Order. And that's it. You've completed your shopping on Temu. You've navigated from browsing to purchasing with ease. Remember, online shopping should be an enjoyable and straightforward experience. Thank you for following along today, and I hope your next purchase goes smoothly with these helpful tips.